What happens when Business Central adds the fields your team needs, but Microsoft Standards API will not let an AI agent update them? We start with a real business problem. We have a new customer and a new item created in Business Central, but they cannot be used in sales because required setup fields are missing. The posting groups are not set on the customer, and the base units of measure is not set on the item. Instead of asking someone to open Business Central and fix those records by hand, we can ask Charlie to extend Business Central itself, deploy what is needed, complete the setup through an API, and prove it works by creating a draft sales order. Since the first episode, you already have connected your CloudStation account to Business Central, so no need to do it again. Now let's create a new project in CloudStation and ask Charlie if she can help us with the following task. Here's the request. Yesterday we created a new customer and a new product in Business Central, but they can't be using any sales, as posting groups and unit of measure are missing. And apparently Microsoft API can't set those fields. Extend Business Central itself so this setup can be done through the API. Prove it works by creating a sales order for Northwind trading with 2 solar panels. Do not post or ship anything. Shadi said that it's all done. She created an extension called Customer Item Setup version 1 and was built and deployed to Business Central. It adds 2 API actions that fill the gap from the current Microsoft Standard API. With this new extension, we could add information on Northwind trading, the posting group. She puts the value national, and for the product, the solar panel X200, she added the base unit of measure BCS. And as a proof, she created a sales order, the 101032, with 2 solar panels at €500 each. The status is a draft, and now that both entities are fully configured, we can use them for any transaction. Let's go to Business Central to see where is this new extension. Search for extension management, and then CloudStation item setup. Here it is. And you have the app ID, you have the name, the version, and the publisher as well. Now let's go to the customer. So Northwind Trading, let's see the fields that have been updated through this new extension. Posting details, national and national. We can see related to this client, the sales order 101032, let's open it, and we can see 2 solar panel X200. Let's just check the solar panel configuration. Let's search for items and for the solar panel. And we can see here the base unit of measure is BCS. The capabilities. Charlie can spot when the standard Business Central API cannot reach the fields needed to finish a process. She can create and deploy a custom Business Central extension to add the missing API actions. And now she can use that extension to update blocked customer and item setup fields, including posting groups and base unit of measure. She can copy configuration from working records instead of asking a user to choose values manually. Finally, she can validate the result with a draft sales order while respecting the instruction not to post or ship anything. The edges. Business Central automation can hit real API boundaries, even when the field exists inside the system. Closing that gap may require extending Business Central, not just writing a better prompt or giving advice. Because this touches financial and operational setup, the work needs to stay scoped, controlled, and safely validated. For business team, the value is removing a system bottleneck without ending a recurring task back to a manual process.